us just simplify it for you.
Hi there everyone, welcome back to Susu Studies. Here we make SAT math preparation simple, engaging and effective. Today we are diving into one of the most important topic of SAT math sections, quadratic equations and functions, where you are solving for roots, analyzing graph or tackling word problems. Understanding quadratics is must for scoring high. Be here, but here the exciting part is we are not doing this in old-fashioned way. We'll be using Desmos, our graphing tool, to break down real SAT problems style question, and you'll see how to visualize the equation, identify the key features like zeros, vertex, and solving problem with confidence. So grab your calculator and Desmos, and we'll be solving question based on this. So you can see on screen, I've shared few questions which have been taken from previous year SAT. So like over here, an archer shoots an arrow into the air such that its height anytime t is given by the function ht minus 16t square plus kt plus 3. If the maximum height of the arrow occurs at 4 seconds after it is launched, so what is the value of k? So over here, we need to find the value of k, and we have been given that the maximum height is 4. So would this question be able to do it by Desmos? You have to tell in the comment box if we can do it or not. So we move to the second one. A model rocket launched vertically into the air such that its height at any time t is given by function ht minus 16t square 180t plus 10. What is the maximum height at 10 by the model rocket? So we have to find the maximum height. That means we have to find y. So when we go to Desmos, we would not write t, would write x, so we'll just put over here, go over here, put over here, y equals to minus 16 x square plus 80x plus 10 plus 80x plus 10. Now over here, what they are asking us, see over here, right? Can you see? They're asking us what is the maximum height. So this is a parabola and it has negative sign, so it will open down like this. So we have to find the vertex. So we'll go like this. No, yeah. So vertex, can you see? Because height is my y component, so at time 2.5 second, the height is 110. So the answer would be 110. Clear? Now similarly, we'll go to the second question. When the ball is thrown straight up at an initial velocity of 54 feet per second, the height of the ball t second after thrown is given by ht equals to 54t minus 12t square. After how many seconds the ball is thrown, how many seconds after ball is thrown will be returned to ground? So when height is 0. So we'll plot this again in Desmos, 54t. So we'll write y equals to 54x minus 12x square. Wrong. 12x square, right? So over here, it start from 0, 0 and come to the ground, because when x is 0, then it comes to the ground. So that is 4.5. So the answer would be 4.5. Right? So C is the answer. Now, similarly, now over here, the graph of y equals to 2x minus 4, x minus 8 in xy plane is a parabola. So we have to find which of the following is true. So we'll plot this first. Y equals to 2x minus 4 into x minus 8. Right? So we have this. Now let us see what they are saying. The graph's line of symmetry is x is equal to 5. So we know that vertex is a point of line of symmetry. So you can see x coordinate is 5 because if we draw, right, always remember x. If we draw, can you see it divide the parabola into two equal parts? So that's why it's line of symmetry. So obviously first part is true. Now minimum value they are saying is minus a. So minimum value is minus 18. So this part is wrong. And the y-intercept is 32. So we need to check the y-intercept over here, which is 32, which is correct. Right? So 1 and 3 option is correct. So answer is 1 and 3. Now, similarly over here, the graph of this is the graph of y plus 3, x minus 4 whole square minus 6 is a parabola in xy plane. What are x-intercept of the parabola? So x-intercept of the parabola, right? So we can just simply plot it over here in Desmos. Y equals to if you can even write y plus 3, we can even write y plus 3. Y plus 3, you don't even have to change. X minus 4 whole square or whole square minus 6. Right? So we saw the graph. We have to find x-intercept. So you can see one is 1 and 7. Can you see? This one is 1, comma 0, 7, comma 0. So answer is 1 and 7. So even if you don't know how to do middle term splitting or you don't know how to factorize, it's pretty fine. We can manage without that in our SAT. Now, whenever we have a question like this, right, and you forgot, if in a quadratic function fx is ax square plus bx plus c, where a and c are both negative constant, which are following could be the graph. So you just put the number to be negative. So we'll just do y equals to negative x square plus 2x plus 2x minus 3, right? So over here, with the help of, can you see this graph? Can you see it's down and this is our y-intercept. You can see over here, this is down. So we'll match. Obviously, this doesn't match. A and B doesn't match. And C matches because it's down. So we can just put this sign to be negative and recheck it, right? If you put the sign to be negative, can you see this matches more or like what was given in the graph, right? And so we can just put the option C. So you don't have to get trouble so much. So that's for today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to it. Thank you.